Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Pitaka MAGEZ mount, which is of course a Qi charging mount for your car. Now this specific one is designed for your car vent. They also have them for the CD slot if, like me, you still own an automobile that even has one. Those are some of your essential options with Pitaka, and this was sent over for review purposes. This retails for roughly $50 US, and the beauty of this is once you have a Pitaka case like the one I have right here on my Note 20 Ultra, this will magnetically stick to this dock in your car and wirelessly charge. And it couldn't really be any more seamless than that. Not a lot to show on the packaging other than exactly what you're about to see in this video, which is the phone attaching to the mount, because I'm not going out to the car, at least in this video. And yeah, I mean, Pitaka really does it better than anyone in the business, in my opinion. They do have active cooling. You can see it right there on the box. Little picture of a fan, active fan cooling. In terms of the charging, 10 watts on fast charging, which is fairly good. And then the actual dock itself is also, just like the case, made with aramid fiber. So Pitaka keeping it premium, which is what we want to see. I mean, these are not inexpensive products, and so far my experience with Pitaka has been very good. Now this is specifically designed for the S20 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, so you don't have to be using this, you know, just with the Note 20. It is compatible with the S20 as well. We're greeted with a little bit of thank you paperwork. The dock itself, which definitely is different, by the way, than the one that I covered last year for the Note 10 Plus, substantially smaller. So they've definitely changed the design. Really like it. And the first thing you're going to see right now, the aramid on aramid action, however bizarre that sounds. So let's see. It doesn't seem like I'm hitting it in the right spot because, there it is. So you can see it's now holding it. Now, I don't want to really play with this and see, you know, how many angles we can get. This is designed to hold it like this, and it's working. I mean, it's working fairly well. But there's definitely a sweet spot, so be aware of that. If you try to mount it anywhere, it may slide, like you just saw. So it looks to me like the place you need to be is right under the camera module, but you don't want to clip the camera module because then you'll actually be losing. It'll actually be coming off the magnet. So just be aware of that. I'm going to test this out, see how it performs. I'll give you all feedback. This is just an unboxing and first look. Let's see what else we have in the packaging. But generally, Pitaka does a really good job. That's why I cover their products. Let's just dump it all out. So essentially what we have here is the USB-A to Type-C connection. You're going to want to plug this in right here and then connect this to a cigarette lighter adapter in your car, or if you natively have a USB port, which I do, but you're still not going to get quick charging, so that's why I recommend going with one of those cigarette lighter adapters with quick charge. The one I have in my car is Sabrent. Believe it or not, that was before Sabrent sent me anything for review, and it works beautifully. I've been using a system similar to this for quite a while now. Now this, I believe, is an enclosure for the actual mount. I didn't even look at the paperwork, but yeah, that's what it is. So basically, this snaps on, and I'm assuming this just gives us even better overall capability with mounting the device. That's what it looks like. So this just snaps right on. You saw I didn't even look at instructions. Surprise, surprise. That doesn't mean you should do the same. I always recommend reading instructions, you know, because you're responsible for your own recklessness in this world. God knows it, right? We're in a pandemic. So let's see how it sticks now. Yeah, it looks kind of the same, I have to say. But I recommend using this. There's a reason it's included, and it's to buffer that camera module, I believe. So somehow the phone thought the S Pen was out. It is not. That must have something to do with it possibly fooling the magnet. This is the clip for the actual AC vent, so you're going to pop that in. I think I got to loosen it up in order to do that, and I do. Pop that on, and didn't want to loosen it that much because then, you know, can't get it on it. But once you have it like that, then you tighten it up, mount it on your vent, and you're good to go. Now they also included this, which I'm not sure exactly if this is just an alternate option. Yeah, it looks like it's for dash mounting. If you want to stick this on your dash, I would not be able to do that with my vehicle. My dash is just too curved to support this. But there you have it. Again, this is the Pitaka MAGEZ mount Qi charger with form-fitting adapter, as they call it. And that is the Pitaka MAGEZ case for the Note 20 Ultra. And I'll include links in the description for both of these. You know, it'll set you back, I think, roughly $100 US, but then you have a seamless system for mounting it in car wirelessly, charging it, which is great, and not having to worry about having low profile protection if that's your thing, which it is in my case. I'm not a big fan of large bulky cases, especially when phones like this are already bulky enough. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.